I'm opening the parts bag. If you got a bunch of small parts, once you cut that bag open, you know, then it's easy to dump them out. So it's easy, just get you a Ziploc bag, dump them in there, and then you can keep track of them and you won't lose any of them as long as you keep the bag zipped when you're not using it. So that's what I'm doing here, putting everything in there, and then I'm pulling out the blind nuts to go on the back side of the firewall once we drill the holes to mount the motor mount to the firewall. So that's what we're doing right now, is setting up for that.